What's happening? Hey y'all, how you doing? It's Neff. We're back at 91 X-Ray Garage. What you guys see behind me, still the BMW 325i. We're waiting on parts. I'm gonna show you guys what we have so far, but we're just waiting on the head bolts. Once we get the head bolts, my daughters will be able to put everything back together. We already got the head gasket. We bought a few things. We got this tool here because I was doing some research, and you tighten the bolts to like 40 Newton pounds, and then you turn them all 90 degrees 2 times. Well, after you go through the whole cycle. But it's 90 degrees the first time. Once you tighten them all up to 90 degrees, then you do another 90 degrees. And that's supposed to, I guess, be fully torqued. But I'm gonna show you guys what we have, because that is all we're waiting on. We already have gaskets, seals, we have, oh, sorry. We are waiting on the Vanos rebuild kit, because my daughters did check that one, and the seals inside are pretty bad, so you can move it by hand. But let me show you guys what we have so far. Alrighty, so we put plastic bags inside the cylinders. They were actually lubed and everything, so we didn't want any dust and stuff falling in there. We got our new head gasket, waiting for head bolts so we can install. This side, my daughters cleaned the intake manifold, and they actually finished the valve seals. And I don't know if you guys seen a previous video, but we had made our own tool. Let me bring it out here, with pieces of metal and a block of aluminum, so we can compress the spring and actually put the keepers and everything back in place. So right now none of this is tightened down because it's pretty heavy for them to put the head on the block. So I'm trying to have the least amount of weight on there for them. But this piece here, this was the part that goes in the bottom. I showed it in the other video before. This one goes in the middle, and then with these screws, this bad boy goes in there like that, and it goes on top of here, and you start tightening down, and what it does, it compresses the valve spring enough room for you to put the keepers back on. So I know that tool was pretty expensive, and for like $5 we made this one, and it works. But there's more parts over there, and once we get those head bolts, all of this is going back in here. Once we have it all back in there, I'm hoping, you know, a few cranks while the fuel pressure and everything builds up, this bad boy cranks right up. Hopefully nothing else is wrong, because my daughters bought it non-running, and we don't really exactly know what else is wrong. Head gasket we knew, because once we took that one out, it was destroyed. But that's all we have for you guys. Sure you guys hit that like and follow, and pretty soon this bad boy will be running. Peace.